And what about you, bro? Because I don't know you, so give me your introduction.
Yeah, of course, of course. So thanks for asking myself. So my name is Varun, and I am from West Bengal. Now, actually, I'm a student. I'm studying BS in Physics honors, and now actually I'm learning this language, and also I'm running a YouTube channel because of English. Yeah, that's all about me. So what about you? Say something about yourself.
Yes, bro. Nice to hear that you are running a YouTube channel. And bro, if I tell about you, if I tell about myself, so my name is Ronit, and I am from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, and I am pursuing MA Political Science nowadays, and I'm also a YouTuber. I have a YouTube channel, and I like to share my knowledge with others. So this all is about me, bro.
Okay, great. Okay, so when did you start your YouTube channel, and why actually?
Because bro, I want to share my knowledge, like who so many our friends are searching for uh, a teacher, searching for a teacher, a good teacher who will teach them in a free of cost. So they some of them are not able to go to coaching classes because they are not financially so much strong. So YouTube is a nice platform where they can find so many videos and they can learn from them. So that's why I started YouTube channel.
Okay, great. You are thinking great. Okay, so you are doing BA in political science, no?
Yes,
Okay,
MA
in which?
MA.
Okay, MA. It's your first year or second year?
Bro, it is my second semester. First semester
Okay.
already.
Okay, so after that, what will you do actually?
After completing my MA Political Science, I will try to crack UGC NET and then apply for a professor in college. So this is my target.
Okay, great. Best of luck. You can do.
Yeah, thank
Okay,
you so much.
so come related spoken English. Actually, nowadays, actually, I'm learning this language, and I am thinking many teachers said, and also actually many teachers told me and their YouTube channel, if you want to learn this language, so you have to learn grammar. I want to know from you, what's your opinion? Grammar is important. If grammar is important, so what kind of grammar is important for English speaking?
Yes, bro, because first of all, I would like to tell you about myself that I don't know from the beginning, I don't know how to speak English because when I went to school, I don't know how to speak English. But after visiting college, I started learning speaking English. So I don't think grammar is important. If someone want to learn English, they should know only some basic knowledge of grammar, like how to make how to make tenses and how to make sentences. They should have knowledge of tenses and and some vocabulary and how to arrange the sentence. So this all is uh, about me, and this all is about grammar, because grammar is not very important, bro. Grammar is not very important. Even I don't know grammar. I only know how to speak only.
Okay, thanks for saying. And yeah, you said ki I speak English when I stay college. That time you speak.
Yes, when I went to college, I started learning and practicing speaking English with my friends.
Okay, so okay, nowadays, how many times do you spend for English speaking?
Because, bro, nowadays every day I will try to speak English, because practicing is, if we stop practice, we don't learn English. So we have to practice every day. And that's why I also practice speaking every day with my friends and while making conversation videos. So,
Okay, so you speak with your friends.
yes, my friends, I will speak to my friends, and we all are learning together, like our community.
Okay, it's a very good thing. Okay, so by the way, do you watch YouTube for English speaking?
Yes, bro. I watch YouTube because learning is a continuous process. I know I can able to speak, but so many things right now I have to learn. So I also I'm also watching YouTube videos every day, some knowledgeable videos, and I watch how other people will speak, how is their fluency. So this kind of things I do every day.
Okay, great. Okay, so say if you have any questions, so you can ask.
Yes, bro. Yes, I have a question. So as I'm looking that you are speaking so nice in English, so I would like to tell you, I would like to ask you how you learn English language, how you
Okay,
speak English.
okay, first of all, thanks for saying. Actually, now I'm a student of learning this language. Also, I'm learning this language. I'm not good at this language. But if I talk about how did I learn this language, so actually, I learned everything from YouTube. Everything from YouTube. And now
Yes.
also I'm learning actually. Yeah.
Right, right, bro. Nice to hear that. Because because watching and listening to you, our viewers will get motivated by looking at you because you are learning from YouTube already. And bro, would you have anything to say to our viewers, those who are learning English? You have any tips to
Yeah,
them?
yeah, actually, yeah, of course, I will say some tips. Actually, if anyone wants to learn this language, so they have to be consistent. This is the first thing. After that, they should do like some grammatical rule, some rule, because we don't have environment. Like we should learn tenses, we should learn modal verbs. These two pillars is very important for English speaking. For
Right.
beginners, actually, I would like to say, because two things, if anyone knows, so there then they can speak English, they can make sentence easily.
Yes.
Yeah, after that I will say, everyone should do four things: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Four things is very important. Actually, also I follow these things, like listening things I follow, reading things I follow because I'm a student, so I read. And writing I do when I go to sleep. There, before 1 hour I write something, it related days, my routine, and whatever. After that I go to sleep. Yeah, these
Yes,
things
bro.
I
Right.
do every.
Right.
Yeah, say.
Right. And bro, with that, I want to add something here that if somebody want to learn English, they will definitely follow like they have a notebook and they whenever they get any word, any vocabulary word, they can write on a notebook and every day in their personal dictionary. Yeah, this will
Yeah,
help
yeah.
them vocabulary.
Yeah, this is very important you are saying. And actually they should write, after that they use this vocabulary, otherwise it will
Yeah,
not work. Yeah, yeah, it is very important thing. Yeah, you're right.
yes,
Okay,
bro.
so
So
so say something. Where are you from, please say.
I am from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh.
Okay,
Uh,
you live in rural area or urban area?
I'm in urban. I'm in city.
Okay,
I'm in
city,
urban
in which city?
in Bhopal, main city, Bhopal.
Okay, Bhopal. Okay, great.
Yep.
Okay, so actually which place is good for tourism in Bhopal? Please say, if I go in future, so I will visit there.
Yes, bro. Because Bhopal is known as the city of lakes. There are so many places here to visit for tourism, like Lakeview, and you will come to Lakeview and enjoy boating and so many water sports here. And when you come to Bhopal, you can definitely go to Crescent Water Park.
Oh,
This is that is also very nice water park here in MP.
Oh,
There are so many temples also. There are so many mosques also here, and some famous churches also are here. So whenever
okay.
and you want to come, you will visit to these places.
Yeah, of course, of course. Okay, so I want to know which foods is favorite, which foods is famous, I can say.
In Bhopal, bro, non-veg food is so much famous here, but non-veg and veg food also are some very delicious here. Uh, and lassi is very famous here,
Oh,
and yeah, this is the famous things here.
okay. So, do you like a veg or non-veg?
I like both. I like both veg and non-veg.
Okay, great. Okay, so I want to know one thing because you
Yes,
are speaking well in English. So, how did you learn this language actually? Please say about this.
yes, bro. Because I started learning English in when I was in college. When I
Mhm.
went to college, I am in first year, and I find the importance of English language because everywhere, if we go to find a job, they are asking for do you know English or not. So those who don't know English, they don't get any opportunity of job.
Yeah.
In English language is very important. So from that time, I started learning English. I started speaking in practice English, and from that day, I continuously practicing English. And now, as you see, I am speaking. So this is the improvement here,
Okay, great. Okay, so how many times do you spend for English speaking?
bro. Definitely, we have to spend even 1 hour every day. If we
Yeah, yeah.
spend 1 hour every day in learning English, it will very helpful. It will be very helpful for our English learners.
Okay, okay, great. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, so if anyone wants to learn this language, so initial time, what kind of problem they face actually? They did face.
bro, it depends on what is the stage of that person. If they are from level 1, so they are facing different kind of challenges. If they are on level 2, they are facing different type of challenges. Because at the time when it comes to speaking, then the problem is comes in front of them, fear of speaking in front of others, hesitation in their uh, hesitation is there. So how to speak in front of others, so this is the problems they are facing. So they have to don't no need to think about others. They will forget their hesitations and they can speak fluently.
Okay, okay, great. So, do you use any application related like this type of application actually?
Yeah, bro, I also use Google Translate in my mobile phone. Google Translate is very useful application. If we find any word to convert, we find in Hindi or English, whatever. If we get a word in English, we can go and search the meaning of that in the Google Dictionary, Google Translate app. And if we find, if we want to find a word in Hindi, and if we want the meaning of that word in English, so in Google Dictionary, Google Translate app is very useful. So I
Okay.
would like to tell you also and our viewers also use that Google Translate application.
Yeah, of course, of course. Everyone should use.
Yes. So
Okay,
this,
so okay, great. Okay, so when do you get free? That time, what do you do actually?
yes,
When do you get free time? That time, what do you do?
bro. When I'm free, I always used to learn something new because I like to learn so many things and about language and about so many things like what is going on in the world. So I always
Okay, actually,
uh,
okay.
doing
So you
anything.
are doing political science, no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, that's why actually you have good idea about international relations, like current affairs, this type of things.
Yes. Yes. These types
Yes.
of things.
Okay, actually, I want to know about political science, polity. So, from where I should start if I want to study from basic? Actually, I don't have idea because now, actually, I'm a student. I'm studying BSc in physics honors. So, I'm a science student, and when I was class 11 and 12, that time also I was science. It means actually
Yes.
I didn't study political science. So, from where I
Bro,
should start?
in political science, if you want to start, uh, you can go to Google and do start learning articles and go on YouTube channel about what is the basic of political science. Political science related to politics and our country, and it is the very wide area. It covers very vast area of the
Okay.
worldwide. So
Okay,
you
I heard
can.
about one books, M. Lakshmikant in Indian polity. Did you
Yeah.
read that book?
No, bro, because here the different kind of syllabus is pursued here in different kind of colleges and universities. So I I did not read this book, but I read so many books. I don't know the name of the author, but I read the book and I focus on the political science actually. So I don't know the name of the author.
Okay, okay, okay. So yeah, if you have any questions, so you can ask because every questions I said you.
Yes, bro. So, as you are doing science, you are from science. So, I'm also I also like science, and so I would like to ask you what you are learning in science.
Running my science, actually, I'm studying BS in physics honors, physics part. So actually, we study only physics and related maths. Yeah, two things I study.
So, bro, what is your subject? What is your syllabus, and what
Okay,
are you
okay.
learning?
Yeah, in physics, actually now I'm studying third year. So we have syllabus like statistical mechanics and also including quantum mechanics and also including solid state physics. Yeah, this type of syllabus.
Yes, bro. Nice, nice.
Yeah, yeah.
And bro, nice to hear that. And it is a very nice conversation with you, bro. So thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Nice to talk to you. And again, we will meet.
Yeah, definitely. Again, we will meet and have a nice conversation again. So thanks for uh, giving your valuable time.
Thank you. Same to you. Bye.
Bye bye.